Okay friends, today we will start with the statistics regression type 2. Yesterday we discussed type 1, now we will start with type 2. For variables x and y, the regression equation are given as 7x minus 3y minus 18 and 4x minus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Then the regression equation of y on x is. See, such type of questions, they are confirmed, it's confirmed question. What they will ask you, they will give you two equations. Normally they give you two equations and they will ask you which equation is Vy on x and Vx on y. For solving this, I will give you one shortcut. What we are going to do, our first step is assume both the equations are y on x. Sometimes some method says that assume this is x on y and y on x, then no, our assumption is wrong. Sometimes assumption goes wrong, again we interchange it. So better what we are going to do, our first step says that both the equations, we are assuming that both the equations are y on x. Write down the equation first. 7x minus 3y minus 18 is equal to 0 and 4x minus y minus 11 is equal to 0. So we are assuming that both the equation are y on x. So y on x means what we do in that format, what we write, we will put y in this side. y एक साइडला ठेवायचा आणि बाकीचे सगळे इथे ट्रान्सफर करायचे. सो minus 3y, this becomes minus 7x plus 18. So y is equal to minus 7x upon minus 3 plus 18 upon minus 3. Same here, we will keep y to this side. This becomes minus 4x minus 11. So y is equal to minus 4 upon minus 11. Now see, what is the, we will write it, we will assume it as b1. What is the coefficient of it? Minus 7 upon minus 3. And here we will write it b2. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. So it is 7 by 3 and here it is 4. So which is smaller, b1 is smaller or b2 is smaller? We don't know the exact value of it, 7 upon 3, but we can understand 4 is always greater than 7 upon 3. So b2 is smaller. Now B1, what is coming? So minus minus 2 upon B, and B2 is equal to 5 by 4. 2 upon 3 means 0.67 and B2 is 1.25. Now tell me which is bigger. This is bigger one. So which is one? This is bigger one. So this will represent By on x. Equation 1 will represent By on x. This will represent Bx on y. But what I told you, take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of what? X on y. So reciprocal is 1 upon 125. Therefore, R is equal to, they have asked you regression, they have asked you correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient means R. So R into bracket Bx on y, square root of, not bracket, Bx on y into By on x. So x on y is 1.25, y on x is 0.67. So this what I told you, we have to take the reciprocal. Okay, by solving this you will get the answer 0.7321. Understood? Again I am telling you, this is confirmed question, this is very IMP. There are a lot of methods are available, but better we use this method. What we have done, we have assumed both the equation y on x, then we have accordingly we have find out v1 and v2. Then smaller one is always By on x, and bigger one is Bx on y. And don't write x on y as it is, because we have for x on y values we have to take a reciprocal, whatever it comes. For example, here it comes 1.25. So we have taken the reciprocal 1 upon 1.25. We have used this formula. We have just put the numbers in it. If they ask you R means maybe they will ask you 5